Royal Truck Body partnered with Auto Technology to find out. To simulate real-world exposure, the truck body spent weeks in a custom walk-in corrosion chamber, where it was subjected to SAE J2334 cycles. Unlike ASTM B117, SAE J2334 involves aggressive cycles of high humidity at 122 degrees. The repeated application of a sodium chloride, calcium chloride, and sodium bicarbonate solution, and drying cycles at 140 degrees.
So we ran SAE J2334, and it's harsher than a straight salt fog where they are experiencing exactly the same conditions for the entire duration of the test. This is a 3-step test that runs over 24 hours per cycle. And the first step is a high humidity step, which is 50 degrees Celsius and 100% humidity. For this chamber, that would be steam generated humidity. The second step is 15 minutes of the salt application. For this chamber, that is a spray application. The final step is a dry step of 60 degrees Celsius and 50% humidity maintained throughout the rest of that 24-hour period. J2334 has some real-world correlation data between this test and actually out driving your car or truck around. That is a really great test and a really great way to prove the corrosion resistance of any products.